Hey YouTubers, welcome to my channel. Today we're going into Terrarium TV on an Android box and how to install. If you like my videos, don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. Let's get down to it. Firstly, you need to go into your browser. Open up your browser and type in droidadmin.com. As you can see, droidadmin.com, and go for it. Once you get to this page, it's no more named droidadmin, named file link. Come down the screen. As you can see, it tells you download file link. So you're going to get to file link and download. Once you click download, just wait a few minutes before it actually loads up. There we have it. It's going to start downloading the APK file to your box now. Then we're going to go down to open file and install. Now the unit is actually installing. Just hold on. App installed, and we're going to open it. Welcome to my store, which I take my time to actually upload all these latest APKs and made it one of the best looking Android market stores for you. Yes, YouTubers, for you. Now I'm going to give you my secret code. So it's going to be 4 2 6 5 9 3 6 5. That's the code you need to enter my store. I will leave the code in the description below for you. Click next. Hold on while it uploads again. Yes, YouTubers, welcome to my store now. As we can see right on top of the screen, Terrarium TV ad-free version, latest version 1.9.10. So we're going to click on the arrow and let it download. YouTubers, the store has all the new apps and APKs, so use them, but make sure you use a VPN as well. You don't want giving out your IP addresses over the internet. Once installed, you will get a play sign on the right hand side of the screen. Click on that and it'll start to install the APK to your device. It may take a few seconds to actually install depending on your speed of your internet. There we have it, YouTubers. Terrarium TV APK now installed, supercharged version. Going to click open. Going to give them access, and this is all the new information. They added more Google fast links, fast servers, and improved some bugs to actually make it a more user-friendly experience. Gonna click OK. XO Player has been discontinued, and Yes Player is the new player, but I suggest still using XO Player as it still gives me a faster And there we go, YouTubers. Terrarium TV supercharged ad-free version straight in the palm of your hands. Enjoy and don't forget to subscribe.